someone I call Teacher Lolo, who is turning 60 years young today. He is my Lolo, and he is a teacher, kaya Teacher Lolo. So first, I want to say welcome to everyone who came tonight. Thank you for joining us to celebrate this wonderful occasion. It's going to be a night full of love, laughter, and maybe a little bit of singing too. Ilabas na ang mga natatagong talent. Before we go on, let's take a moment to honor the people closest to the celebrant's heart, the family. Let's give a big round of applause to the loving wife and the amazing children of our celebrant. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for. Let's all rise and give our warmest welcome to the birthday celebrant, the man of the hour, the one and only, my Teacher Lolo, Mr. Roel C. Laronia! Wow! That was amazing mga singing idols. Pasok na kayo sa next round.
Hey to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Yay!
If you know the answer, raise your hand and shout out loud if I call you. Mauuna pong kumain ang makakasagot. Galingan niyo po. Ready na po kayo? Ready na po?
Ready na! Ready na.
Alright, first question. Anong year pinanganak ang ating birthday celebrant? Yes po.
65!
Thumbs up po kung tama po yung Teacher Lolo.
Yes!
So, table number 5, pwede na po kayo magpa-picture po sa birthday celebrant and head to the buffet area na po. This is our second question po for our trivia and Q&A. Pang ilang anak si Teacher Lolo?
Oldest.
Oldest. Tama po ba yung Teacher? Table number 4, pwede na po kayo magpa-picture po sa birthday celebrant and mag-head na po sa buffet area. Ito naman, pang PBB Kids. Sino ang unang naging girlfriend ni Teacher Lolo? Yes po.
Hindi ko alam kung tama ako. Si Teacher Doris.
Tama po ba yan, Teacher Lolo? Pwede na po kayo mag-picture and head na po sa buffet area. So naman, question number 4. Ano naman ang favorite color ni Teacher Lolo? Yes. Tita Ella, yes. Blue? Tama po ba yan, Teacher Lolo? Correct!